everyone, it's a beautiful day. Today's menu is bulgogi. It's sliced, seasoned, and barbecued beef. Let's start cooking. First, let me introduce the ingredients. As you know, the main ingredient is beef, just 300 grams, and some vegetables. Do you know what it is? What they are? Yes, it's a dried shiitake mushroom. To make it soft, we should boil first. Okay, and we should boil for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It's a very sweet and delicious fruit, and just a quarter pear is enough. Not so much beef. Do you know it's pear? And I grind it. Okay, almost done. Yeah. Okay, I think just half onion is good. And I can slice. Okay. Slice 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I shred. Actually, this carrot is optional. Okay, if you don't want it, you don't have to use it. And next, green onion. Just cut it into slices. Sometimes you get this just get pears, but not now. Okay. I omitted this mushroom, boiled mushroom. Now, after boiling and rinse, squeeze a little, and cut it into pieces. Throw away. Yeah. And you can use slice first. Yeah, you can cut freely, just to slice. And you can use this part. Chewy. The texture is good, but if you don't like, let's make a seasoning for bulgogi. First, garlic, half garlic. Yes. Soy sauce. Per 100 grams beef is just 1 tablespoon. So 300 grams beef, so 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Okay. Now sugar is just 1.5 spoon. 1.5. Tasty liquor, just enough for 1 spoon. And plum syrup, Maesilcheong. Yeah, I like it very much because it is fermented syrup, so very healthy and deep flavor. I like it. Just 1 spoon. And sesame oil, 1 spoon. And wow, do you know? Can you remember? This is ground pear. Just 2 spoons. Enough? 2 spoons. Actually, it makes meat soft and tasty. So I always use this kind of juice, pear juice or ground pear. Okay? finally, black pepper, a little black pepper. And with the spoon, I'm gonna stir. You can mix it well. And yeah, with the finger we can touch and knead. With the finger, knead enough. Okay? Yeah. Yes, good. It looks cool. Yes. The color is beautiful. Turn on the heat and spatula. With the spatula we can put the beef first. And next, onion, carrot, spring onion, and boiled mushroom. I didn't add any water, but soon the water comes out, so you don't have to add water. No? Yeah. From vegetables and from the beef. Yeah. You see, the water comes out. It looks cool. Beautiful. Okay, finish. Taking this down and turn off the heat and move to the plate. Wow, it looks cool. I'm tired. I need delicious food and protein. This is perfect for me. This menu is perfect for me today. I'm gonna try it. Cool. So delicious. How about trying this one?